welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be heading to Dylan with Jeep Guys Online's house to bring some awesome content to you. Take a look at his new setup on his Jeep. He's changed a few things since you last saw it and mess around with the new drone. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we made it to Dylan. So since you last saw his Jeep, he put a lift on it and he put his hardtop back on. So tell us more about the lift you got.
Yeah, so I got a rock crawler 3.5 inch stage 1 X Factor on it. It's got the new shocks and everything fully kitted out, ready to go. I think you guys have seen some pictures of it online and stuff like that. Since then I put a harness part inside with the color to match the secondary color I'm doing with the Jeep, which is the light gray.
That's a nice color. Is that a Jeep color or?
No, so it's actually custom. It's just like a light gray mixed with some like clear coat on it.
I like how it goes with your sponsor decals here on the back window.
Yeah, that's gonna be my secondary, the granite crystal, the bronze, and then that light gray.
I definitely think I should get a hardtop for my Jeep.
Yeah, definitely, especially because the weather's getting colder.
Yeah, for sure. The soft top's real loud and not very warm in the winter.
Right, so actually I'm headed to the car wash now and we're gonna wash this thing up and make it look better. It's a little dirty. I just went through some trails earlier, so.
All right, so we'll catch you guys there. Guys, so we just got his Jeep clean, so now we're gonna head back and grab my Jeep and get the drone and get some pretty cool shots for you guys. So let's head that way now. Alright guys, so we got my Jeep. We're gonna head out to this place in Annapolis to get some drone videos of both of our Jeeps with my new drone. See how that goes. He's bringing his camera, so we're gonna do some photo shoots there. And while we were on the way there, I did want to talk about possibly working out some meetups next summer. So next summer we're going to be going around to a lot of trails, trying to get as many of the Jeep badges we can get. And if you guys are around any of them or relatively close to where you could drive, let us know and comment on this video, send us an email, whatever you want, and we'll try to work out some where we run out trails or something like that, get everybody together, make some awesome content. It just seems like it'd be a real fun time. So be sure to let us know about that. And in addition to that, we do have a pretty big giveaway planned for when we hit 1,000 subscribers. We're actually teaming up with a tire provider and possibly giving away a set of 5 tires in the winner's desired size. So be sure to keep an eye out for that. Tell your friends to subscribe to the channel so we can hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. And let's head out to this place and get some awesome drone footage. See you guys there. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll probably be doing about a weekly vlog for the time being, and hopefully we'll be doing more than one a week come next summer with the shows and everything. I hope you like them. Like always, like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll do that giveaway like we talked about, and see you guys in the next one.